everybody, it's Courtney, Toledo Chapter Director for Patriot Pinup, and here we are at the Old Armory in Ashland, Ohio. We are at the Rebel Rousers Rumble. As you can see all around me are some beautiful classic cars. There's a lot of classic car clubs here, and there's live rockabilly bands right behind us. We are having a pinup contest in just a little bit, and we're here to support Patriot Pinup and all the great people who are coming out here. All of their entry fees are supporting Patriot Pinup too. So an awesome way to give back to both our veterans, active duty military, and their families, as well as get into a classic car show. So let's show you around and show you some of the neat cars.
Hi, I'm Holly Hayworth. I'm the National Treasurer, but I do attend the Columbus events.
I'm Robin Rouge. I am a member of the Columbus chapter, and I own a pinup bar as well. So that's kind of what got me into it.
A pinup bar?
In
Explain
Columbus.
to us about that.
Well, we bought it from a friend of ours a few months ago, and it's called Bossy Girls Pinup Joint. It's just a little bar. We have burlesque and bands there, and it's all pinup themed inside.
Very cool.
Well, we were fortunate enough to be invited by the Rebel Rousers Club, and they do this every year. This is the first year that we've been here, but we came last year and hung out, and they do amazing things. They donate so much to us. It's really great.
Yeah.
And they have these beads that they donate, like the little Mardi Gras beads, and we get to sell those for $1. Have all the pinup contest girls sell them for $1, and we get a lot of money for the veterans.
Yeah, it's great.
And then get to sell stuff, walk around, see all the cool cars, and then we are also hosting the pinup contest.
Cool. Awesome.
My pinup name is Miss Ginger Grace. I chose it because of my ginger hair and Grace for my daughter's middle name. I love to include her in that kind of thing. And I'm from Port Clinton, Marblehead area.
Is this Grace?
This is Raven Grace.
Do you care?
She's like, oh shoot, 2 cups in my hand.
Tell me about, is this your very first contest?
It's not. It's my 3rd contest, I think. I was in the Miss Piston Power show. I was number 10 in that one. I didn't place, but I still had lots of fun. I was at the Cruising by the Bay in Sandusky last year, and I won 1st place there.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Was that your very first show?
It was my very first show. I was very surprised. I was like, yay! Yeah, I won $100 and a $100 tattoo, and I was super excited.
Whoa.
And I was really going for the tattoo. That's all I wanted.
Awesome.
I like classic cars. I like 57 Chevy truck, 50s era. I like the best. I do like the rat rods a little bit. I'm not big into that. I don't know a lot about it, but I still like them. I like coming to the shows a lot just for, to check it out, have fun. And also I like the pinup shows, so see all the beautiful girls.
Watch it.
I am the lovely Lorraine, and I am from Canton, Ohio. Canton, so you're not too far. Not too far, and I was born and raised right here. Oh, in Ashland. That's very cool. What made you come out today? I've been doing a lot of pinup contests this summer and just hanging out at the car shows. Very cool. Are you into classic cars? Oh yeah, I would love a 52 Chevy 3100. That's awesome. Do you do a lot of pinup shows, you said? Just anything that's in the area? Yeah, I've been doing mostly the Ohio area. Gotcha. Cool. And are you nervous to go on stage? Are you ready? I'm a little bit nervous. Well, you look adorable. Thank you. You're welcome. I want to say thank you to you from Patriot Pinup for your entry fee going to us for the veterans and everything, and that's a really cool thing to support if you're going to be in a contest. Yes, everyone should support Patriot Pinup.
Awesome. My name is Cece Noir. I'm from Canton, Ohio, And the reason why I came down here partly is because Patriot Pinup, because I used to be a member and I love what it supports, but also I love cars, so it was kind of a win-win. And I love Ashland. It's a super cute, tiny town with an awesome university, so that's pretty much why I'm here. I have a favorite car. It's a 52 Studebaker pickup. It's my favorite because it's super rare, but it's very classic and kind of curvy like myself, so that's why it's my favorite car.
Do you own a classic car at all?
No, I'm saving. Student loans first, then classic car.
At least you're responsible.
Yes.
Is this your first pinup contest?
No, this is actually my 5th.
Cool.
Yeah.
And how do you like them?
I love them because I get to meet awesome people. I get to see awesome cars and socialize with the pinup community.
And dress up and look
That too, but I do that all the time. I am a performer. I actually studied dance in college, so I've taught tap, jazz, ballet, modern, lyrical, belly dance, and ballroom.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Well, thank you so much, Cece.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Well, my name is Alfie Jean, and I'm from Port Huron, Michigan, which it was like a 3.5-hour drive. That is perfectly okay. I'm here for the wonderful contest that Patriot Pinup is putting on. I wanted to do this because I saw it advertised, and I saw that Ashland, Ohio had on the welcome sign that it's the headquarters of the nice people or something, and I was like, I have to go to Ashland because I feel that I'm like one of the nicest people around, so I was like, I'll fit in. And then Patriot Pinup, I loved it that the registration fee went right to the cause, and I really thought that was great too.
Awesome. Is this your first contest?
No, it is not. This is my 8th, I think. 7th or 8th contest, so yeah, I do it a lot. I adore cars, anywhere from like the 20s to the 50s. Those are probably my favorites. I think the 20s are probably my ultimate favorite, so anytime a car show has anything from the 20s, I'm just like, I take so many pictures of the car because you don't see them very often. But there is quite a few car shows. I mean, because Michigan, you got Detroit, and that's like Motor City, right? So there's always car shows, and there's always random people driving their classic cars around, and I always stop them and like, can I take a picture? Okay, you know, they let me, they love it, so it works out just fine.
Awesome.
Yeah. Well, I model very frequently, and I'm published. I've been on the cover of Babaloo's Beauties. I also teach pinup. I own a pinup charm school, and I teach women how to boost their confidence using the vintage culture. So it's a very fun experience. I just love being able to pick women up because that's just what I'm about. So
My name's Dottie Mae Danger and I'm from Payne, Ohio.
From where?
Payne.
Payne, Ohio. Where's that?
It's about 5 minutes from the Indiana line, like close to Fort Wayne.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
So you came a ways.
It was about 2.5 hours.
Is this your first pinup contest?
No, it's my 3rd.
Do you like them?
Yeah,
Cool.
they're really fun.
Some different.
Yeah.
What do you think about cars? Are you into cars? Do you like seeing all the cars?
Yes, I do like seeing all the cars. I don't know much about them, but you know, I learn a little bit, and they're pretty.
Yeah, they're very pretty to look at and take pictures.
How I got my pinup name was I just liked the name Dottie, and everyone always says how I'm kind of wild a little bit, and I like names that start with the first and you know the same start with first and last because it makes them easy to remember. So, and my middle name really is May.
Oh,
so.
that's so cute. Cool. Are you nervous? Are you excited about the contest?
A little bit of both.
Little bit of
Probably
both.
equally.
You're number 11, so you got plenty of girls to go ahead of you to kind of...
Yeah, I was number 11 last time too, and I did pretty good. Not the
Awesome.
greatest, but I got into the top 5. So
But that's
keep
really
going with
good.
keep going with 11, and I think it might be my lucky number.
And today we'll be judging the girls on appearance and And what dessert would you be? Well, I would be a hot carne sundae because take a first bite to a little chili, we always end up warm. Ooh, that sounds nice. All right. I am baking and what dessert would you be? I would definitely be a cheesecake. I'm a little silly. My dress is a little poofy, and I'm a whole lot of fun. All right. And what is your name? I'm Rosie. And what dessert would you be? I would be a lemon meringue pie because it's light and fluffy and also a little tart. All right, go ahead. What is your name? Cece Noir. And what dessert would you be? I would be a slice of devil's food cake because it's sweet but a little simple. Oh, thank you. But close it. What's your name? Lindsay Jones. Favorite dessert? What dessert would you like? Peppermint ice cream. Nice, peppermint. I like that. What's your name? My name is Heather, aka Miss Funny Von Buren. And what dessert would you be? I would be my own little weird mixture. I would be cheesecake and devil's food. So I feel like I'm a little bit cheesy, but I'm a little bit mischievous at the same time. Awesome. Thank you. I'm glad to take a photo. What's your name?
My name is Maddie.
And what dessert would you be?
I think that I would have to say strawberry shortcake because it's sweet and fun, but if you eat too much of it, it's bad for your health.
I like it. Okay, go ahead. So, we're ready for dinner. I'm ready to start.
My name is Lily Diamond. I am from Fort Wayne, Indiana, a mom of 2 boys and a wife. I've loved vintage all my life, and I believe I was born in the wrong decade.
Can you tell us a little bit about the contest? Were you nervous? Were you excited?
I was a little bit nervous. I follow Patriot Pinup as my father is a recently retired military veteran. He's been in the military all my life, so anything military is near and dear to my heart. I would like to start a Patriot Pinup chapter in Indiana if possible. So yes, I was very nervous because it was something that was dear to me and it means a lot, and you just get nervous in those kind of situations sometimes.
That's awesome. Congratulations so much. What are you going to do with your flamingos?
I am going to probably put them in my front yard. I love flamingos.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Well, you got to see the entire pinup contest, and congratulations to Lily Diamond. She was our first place winner here at Rebel Rousers, and she is Miss Rebel Rouser 2015. And thank you so much to her and all the contestants for donating their entry fee straight to Patriot Pinup. And I hope you got to enjoy some beautiful classic cars today, as well as some fun pinup girls. Thank you from all of us at Patriot Pinup.